What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 10% off Crocs with Cash App in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Cash App application, and then we'll tap the top right corner to our profile. Next, we'll tap on Explore Offers. Now we'll type in Crocs in the search bar at the top. It'll pull you to this screen. You get 10% off Crocs online only if you pay with your Cash App card. This is unique because usually it's a one-time offer. For the Crocs offer, it's once every 24 hours, and the max discount you can get is $50. When you've decided you want the offer, tap on Add Offer in the bottom. And when the offer successfully adds, you'll see a check mark below the logo. You can then tap on Open Website from here, and this will bring you to their website so you can shop online directly through this link. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helped you get 10% off Crocs with Cash App quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.